Beloved Hazur, I did Bayat last year, and my parents have supported my decision to convert. But they have also explained that they personally don't see themselves joining Islam. I would like to have an Ahmadi Muslim family in the future, and would like your advice on how I can educate my parents on my beliefs to avoid future disagreements.
You see, when you marry an Ahmadi girl and you have your children and you are living in an environment or in a vicinity where your parents also live, then instead of confronting them directly on small petty issues, you just tell them that the basic morals are the same between us. We say that we should worship God. We say that we should show good morals towards each other. We should refrain from all the bad things. And even if your parents are not Ahmadi, they will agree with this. And the environment is also influencing your children if you are not properly conscious about their training. Right? So you will have to take special care. How can they be brought up? In an atmosphere where they know about their religion. So you will have to be practicing Muslim first. Your wife shall have to be practicing Muslim. This is the basic requirement. And in this way you will set your example before your children. Okay? And then also teach them, train them what is Islam and why we are Muslim. And if they ask you that why our grandparents are not Muslims, then you can tell them that Allah Ta'ala says there is no compulsion in religion, so whichever religion they chose, they have adopted that one. But whatever we feel is good, we have chosen that religion. And also tell them that why we have chosen this religion, why we like Islam. So in this way, you can train your children. And at the same time, you tell your parents about the beauties of Islamic teachings. And when they know the beauties of Islamic teachings, then they will always try to listen to what you are saying. When they see there is some significant change in you, and you are somehow different from that of your previous life, then they would know that our son is going on the right path. And also pray for them, as the prayer of the parents is accepted for the children. In the same way, the prayer of the children is also accepted if they are praying for their parents. So pray for them, that Allah Ta'ala also open their hearts and they accept Islam. But you will have to reform yourself first. You have to be practicing Muslim. And then show your example before children. And then at the same time, teach them. Or you will have to work hard for that. Otherwise, not only your parents, but the environment will also influence your children. They will deviate from the basic teaching of Islam. Right?